How did you get up there?
Not all the way up there, but go climb.
Oh, from the back. Okay.
Go over there. Look. Climb up those rocks, baby, and then climb over here. Look. And walk where we're walking over there. Look. This way. Follow us this way. Start up the small rock.
Guys, this is like a perfect spot to hang out. I'm pretty sure they fixed the rock this way. Just beautiful. I've seen a couple girls just now just having dinner or snack or whatever it is on some of those rocks just now. So we are on Ontario Place, I believe that's what it's called. So in that middle right there is the Rogers Center. And as you can see, there's an airplane coming ahead, and it is going to Billy Bishop Airport. Bishop Airport is just beyond this area. If I can pull it up, as you can see, that airplane just landed. Whoops. So Billy Bishop, the airport itself is that building to the side. And you can see your craft is there already.